at the same time, he's also very intelligent, especially when it comes to doing investigations. At madaming investigations ang gagawin natin for this project, Loki. And yun, he's very intelligent, he's smart, and especially when it comes to deductions. Diba? So, in terms naman, pagdating sa, if I would compare it to my personality, medyo malayo sometimes pag lumalabas yung extroverted side ko. Pero when it comes to my introverted side, so I think I'm an ambivert. Lumalabas din naman yung pagiging nonchalant ko, pagiging mysterious. Kasi I feel like some of us naman siguro, we sometimes feel na we want to be alone, or we want peace, we want quiet. So yun siguro yung mga konting similarities namin. And yun yung pwede kong paghugutan sa character ko para mas mabigyan ko ng justice and ma-portray ko na maayos si Loki Mendez. And it's, mention ko lang yung, syempre yung seducing Rick Palma, Trip Palma. So very thankful ako sa Viva for giving me this opportunity and sa Signal, sa TV5. So very different si Trip Palma kay Loki Mendez. So grabe yung contrast. And it's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be a good challenge for me, especially pagdating sa acting. So yeah, I'm very thankful kay Direk sa guidance. Thank you sa mga workshops natin, lahat ng classes mo. And of course, kay Sir Rain, ako si Ibarra. Palakpakan sa story niya, napakagandang project Loki. And ayun, so yun yung contrast ng character and personality ko.